The lithium-ion battery that energizes the vehicle is the most expensive component in an electric vehicle. The price parity between IC engine vehicle and electric vehicle will happen once the battery price decreases. Today we are discussing about the Gigafactory that is going to be set up by Amara Raja Batteries. Tesla has already set up Gigafactories for battery research and development in US and China. They manufacture batteries for Tesla cars and solar applications. Elon Musk's Tesla Motors introduced the word Gigafactory in 2013 to represent the large-scale production capacity. The annual production capacity of these factories would be in terms of million, that is 10 lakh. Amara Raja Batteries Ltd is one of the largest battery manufacturers in India. Now they are setting up Gigafactory in Telangana State of India to research new technologies and manufacture lithium-ion batteries. The company incorporated a subsidiary named Amara Raja Advanced Cell Technologies mainly to facilitate battery research for electric mobility market. The company works for lithium-ion chemistries suited for Indian subcontinent conditions. It already supplies battery pack and chargers to some two-wheelers and three-wheeler OEMs. The Mahabubnagar district of Telangana will see an investment of 9,600 crores in another 10 years after necessary approvals for it. Amara Raja plans to set up the factory in a phased manner. In the first phase, which is likely to take 2 to 3 years, the company is expected to invest around 2,000 crores in the factory with a 2 gigawatt-hour capacity. The investment will also go to the Advanced Research and Innovation Center in Hyderabad. Finally, the lithium-ion cell factory will be having a capacity of 16 gigawatt-hour and a battery pack assembly unit of up to 5 gigawatt-hour. It will create an employment for 4,500 people in the state once all the phases are completed. The factory facilitates Telangana's aspirations to become India's electric vehicle manufacturing hub. The increased demand for batteries for electric vehicles could be addressed by the large-scale manufacturing of latest technology-based battery packs. The recognized company could easily reach the customers with their highlighted production capacity to back large orders for both automotive and industrial applications. Jaydev Galla, the chairman and MD of Amara Raja Batteries, said, "This strategic partnership with the government of Telangana is a giant leap for Amara Raja and will bring in impetus for innovations in sustainable technologies for the whole region, in addition to generating employment opportunities. We have had a long association with the state and are excited to finally have the opportunity to establish an industrial base here." Vikramaditya Gaurineni, the executive director, New Energy Business, Amara Raja Battery, said, "This latest step is in line with energy and mobility roadmap that we laid out last year. Our ambition is to develop a robust Indian ecosystem with R&D, incubation, testing and manufacturing, a Giga corridor for emerging technologies in energy and mobility. Let's hope this could reduce the battery price and accelerate the electric mobility adoption in India." Now, if you like to know about the premium car manufacturer Porsche's plan to set up electric vehicle battery plant, do watch the video on the end screen. See you there in that video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and enable the notifications to get notified when we publish every single video about electric vehicle. Thank you so much for watching.